As a family, we farm 500 acres of combinable crops and have 560 sows, from which we sell about 15,000 finishers per year. One of the most important things to our business is how we choose and use new technology to better monitor and measure the pig production process. Today, I'm going to show you some of the latest technology that we're working with. So this is one of our recently completed finisher buildings. The building was constructed by ARM Buildings with Fancom ventilation, which was supplied by JF McKenna. The pigs come into this building between 40 to 45 kilos and leave for sale between 110 and 120 kilos. The wet feed system that we're using is supplied by male owner. It's a twin ration blending wet feed system which feeds the pigs automatically ad lib via a sensor in each trough. In conjunction with the wet feed system, we've also installed a ProMedos medication system. This allows us to administer medication on a pen-by-pen basis, if required, which removes the need for blanket medication, which reduces the amount of antibiotics used on farm. So getting the ventilation right is a really important part in any pig building project. The Fancom climate system that we've chosen to use monitors temperature, humidity, CO2 alongside air pressure and air speed, and we can influence the climate on any number of these variables. We really like the innovative design of the Fantura inlet that we've used in the project. The spoiler at the top allows air velocity to be retained even at minimum ventilation rates, which allows for a more consistent, better airflow across the building. Another piece of technology that we've utilised in this project is the Fancom pig cough monitor. We have 2 of these installed in every room, and it basically monitors the pigs for coughing and lets us know. This gives us an early warning to the onset of any respiratory diseases, which helps us ensure that we keep animal welfare at the highest standards. It also reduces the use of antibiotics. Next, I wanted to show you Fancom's dynamic system. This sensor continuously monitors the pig's movement so that we can pick up on abnormal behaviours early on. For example, before the visible onset of a disease or health challenge, the pigs will move about less. This sensor will detect the drop in activity and help us to respond accordingly. The last piece of technology I'd like to show you today is our weight sensor. Over the last 2 years, I've been working on a brand new type of weight sensor under the name of Grostat. This sensor is mounted on the ceiling above every pen of pigs, providing us with daily weight data. From this data, we know real-time growth rates and feed conversion, as well as information on uniformity and market selection. The weight sensor helps us make decisions on how to improve the production environment. Every day, we get a measured response throughout the whole rearing cycle, improving our efficiency and ensuring we keep our production targets on track. By integrating the sensor's weight data into the feed system I showed you earlier, we can achieve precision feeding on a pen-by-pen basis. Automating the phase feeding process will ensure we maximise growth rates for minimum cost, as well as reducing ammonia emissions and slurry production. I really think the industry needs this technology, as producers need the right information delivered to them on a daily basis. I'm really pleased to say that it will be commercially available at the end of the year. So why did we adopt these technologies? Well, they provide us with an invaluable level of information. And this is information not necessarily for information's sake, but information that helps us enhance animal welfare and performance whilst ensuring we deliver a good product to the consumer. I need our pigs to be happy and healthy all of the time to express their full potential in terms of growth and feed conversion. This then enables us to reduce our cost of production. So moving forward, together with Fancom, we're utilising the data from the sensors that we've installed to bring all that information together in the form of a pig welfare dashboard, similar to that seen in the broiler sector. I believe this kind of multi-tool is essential in ensuring that we deliver the highest welfare standards on a continuous basis. In the future, I would love to see better decision-making tools become available for farmers. At the moment, we're absolutely awash in the agricultural sector with data, but we need to turn this data into objective information that all businesses can rely on. It's really tough in the agricultural sector at the moment as we're going through difficult and volatile times, but it's why our businesses need to be more robust than ever. Precision livestock farming and using the very best of the latest technology in an integrated way is giving our business a competitive edge, and it's really important for us that we keep it that way.